2019 is going to be another massive year for Explore. Kick it off with a few new modifications. We learned a lot last year. At the moment, I'm at ARB Nunda. We've got the boys from Safari Engineering up this morning. They've got a couple of cool products that I've had my eye on for a while. Let's go and have a look. Alright, so the boys have got the Snorkel on, the Armax is fitted. They're just putting the brackets and the Safari ECU unit in at the moment. Now look, a couple of quick reasons why I've decided to change my Snorkel. Firstly, for noise. It was just far too loud sitting in my ear on these long distance drives. And secondly, and most importantly, for performance. Alright, Snorkel's on, Armax ECU's in. Let's go and tune it. So we're just going to rip off the road tyres and throw the 35s on. We did all the tuning on the road tyres just because it gives you a far better reading than the big knobby muds. So let's see how we go. So if you're chasing the figures, here they are. After we've had the road tyres on and then back to the 35 muddies, when we came in with the road tyres, we're at 120 kilowatt. That went all the way up to 194 kilowatt. Once we threw the muddies back on, we went from 102 kilowatt up to 171 kilowatt. A couple of quick reasons why I've decided to go with the Armax system instead of your remaps or your chips or anything like that. At the end of the day, it comes down to reliability and the amount of safety features and technology that has gone into this unit. So not only does it give me more drivability and power, but I've got 5 different modes at a touch of a button. Now these modes aren't just different power levels. For instance, one of the mode is towing mode. Now it's got a product called predictive towing. So this will actually work out how much load you've got on the vehicle depending on the size of your load and adjust on the run. So it also has your Egt Protection, which is the biggest killer of your common diesels these days. So if your Egt temps get too high, it will actually adjust your power on the run to stop that from happening. So no more staring at your Egt gauge while you're running up the beach. Now, my favorite feature would have to be the remote access. I can literally pull out my laptop, plug into this system. As long as I've got reception, I can talk to the boys at Safari and I can diagnose problems on the run. So for my sort of remote touring, this is absolutely ideal. Now look, honestly, there's that many smart features in this product, I could talk for hours. I'm gonna get out there, use the product, test a few of them, and I'll give you guys some updates throughout the year.